Hello, I'm Debbie. Welcome to my channel, Texas Gadget Gal. Tonight we're browning up ground beef. I'm going to make it plain for storage. Our freezer is full, so we're going to freeze dry it. My family tried taco meat that I ran through the freeze dryer about 10 months ago, and it tasted just like I made it tonight. So that encouraged me to go ahead and put this through the freeze dryer and have it on the shelf for quick, easy weeknight meals. Here's my first pan. It was less than $3 a pound for 85% this week. So I made 2 stops to the store. The first batch I put in the freezer in 1 pound increments, and this time I'm going to brown it all up and have it on the shelf in my freeze dried food storage. I'll bring you back when we get this all browned up and we start straining it. Here I'm using my OXO Good Grips fat separator to separate the liquid from the beef fat. Then I'll pour the fat into a silicone mold to freeze and use later to add flavor when I go to use the freeze-dried beef. The beef was gently rinsed with hot water to decrease fat and extend shelf life. Next, I used my OXO Good Grips food scale with the pull-out display. This scale comes in handy when using really large bowls. I put 2.5 pounds of ground beef per tray for my medium-sized freeze dryer. Well, it is the next day, and I'm getting the freeze dryer up and running, and it'll take it 15 minutes. Sometimes I let it go longer than that because it's warm right now. We got up to 108 degrees yesterday, so it's pretty warm. Now we're ready to load the trays and then close the drain valve and click continue. After the globs of fat had solidified, I put them into a vacuum Ziploc bag and put them in the freezer. I use my FoodSaver Cordless vacuum sealer every day. It's a little pricey, but it's worth it to me because I don't have to drag out the big vacuum sealer. Packing the globs of fat this way allows me to use them 1 or 2 at a time and seal up the rest for another day. The beef is done and will be packaged for use over the next couple of years. Some foods I've freeze-dried have been stored away for longer term, but I plan to have this ground beef handy for convenience meals when things get a little hectic. I'm packaging the ground beef the same way I did the fat globs so that I can take out however much I need and reseal the bag. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I would appreciate a thumbs up. Till next time.